Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to show followers on Facebook profile. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Simply click onto profile. After that, click on edit profile. Scroll down, click onto edit option, scroll down, and then now shown here to followers option. Just enable this option and tap on to save. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily show followers on Facebook profile. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Libre channel for more video.